We begin here because no life has ever been untouched by war.
I honor those who kneel before me, but that proud heart which dares defy me, that haughty heart I lay low. Hold me, hold up my head, the strength of my limbs is melting away. Destroyed forever!
Why did the gods put you in the world? If we must have sons, let us abide them in the temples and bypass the concourse of these noxious women. Let that be. There is no content without its myth. We rode Philomel north. Did she notice the widening cracks in that gradual and his happiness? And what about Crockton? The cause, perhaps, in any case, the motor ultimate that leaves her mostly absent.